Hello friend, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you something very special which you guys will love it. A free tool to generate the screenshot for filing the bug. So generally we do a lot of testing of our products and whenever we get a bug, we have to take this screenshot, something like this. Like we used to take this screenshot. Then we have to highlight the field. Suppose let's say there's a bug here. So like this we have to highlight. Do you guys agree? And then you save this and then you share it with your developer, and in fact you have to rename the screenshot as well. But can we get this kind of a screenshot automatically without taking the like a screenshot, without highlighting the field that here is the bug or here we were performing the action? You will not have to do anything, you will get this screenshot automatically. Let's see how. So this is the product TestCase Studio, which will help you to get this done. Click on this and we will install it. You can install it in any browser and it will work like a champ. So let's say on Chrome, so you have to just install it. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, and this will be installed. It will show you the page of like testing daily, so you can also install this plugin. This is very helpful to get latest testing update. Anyways, so now we have installed TestCase Studio. Here you can read the review practice pages, privacy practices. This is absolutely safe and secure. You can see that more than 30k active users are there. This is amazing. Now here you see that TestCase Studio logo is not here. So what you have to do, you have to pin it to toolbar. Click on this pin and now here it is available. That's all you have to do. Now let's see the magic. Suppose we are on Flipkart website. We want to buy something. We want to test a flow of buying a product, whether it is working fine or not. So before you start, you just click on this logo here and you see it opens here. And now you start testing. Suppose you search for iPhone, hit enter. We click on the iPhone name. We click on the add to cart. Now you see that suppose till now we have done these many things. Let's say we click on add item, and suppose there was an issue on add item button. So how can we get the screenshot for this? Click on this TestCase Studio logo here and you see that all the screenshots are here. Click on this and you see that the field is highlighted and the screenshot is taken. The name of the screen is click on add item. Isn't it amazing? You just right click, copy image, paste it to your developer, or if you want to save, just right click, save images. So this way you can get this screenshot, and also you just download all the screenshot. You just have to click on download test case, add steps. This complete thing will be downloaded, all the text and steps, everything will be downloaded in XLS file, and this will download as a separate zip folder with all the screenshot. There are many amazing other features, like you get these steps, you get the data, expected result, XPath, CSS selector, everything you get, which you can also use as in documentation purpose or bug filing. So this is really amazing product which will help you guys. This is absolutely free, and there are more features even in pro version. In fact, let me show you. Here you see that this is screenshot we got, but we don't let's say after three days or 2 days, even today, if developer asks us at what time this screenshot was taken, when was this issue happen, at exactly that time. So that you get in pro version. Like in pro version you will get the time stamp as well on the screenshot. Let me show you how. So here you see the pro version. Let me just open it, and now you see that if we are let's say we are on this website and testing same thing, and here we click on add to cart, add item, and now you see that in the pro version you see that there is a timestamp here. So this way you will get to know that at on which date, what time this screenshot was taken. So whenever you will save this screenshot, this will be there, and your developer, whenever he will be referring, he knows that what time this screenshot was taken. So this is even more advanced like in pro version. In pro version you have amazing features, like you can download you can record multiple test case. You can copy this complete test case if you don't want to download. You can download in any format. You can download a screenshot separately. You can in fact upload test case directly to TestRail. You can also record the screen. You can record test case in any language. You can customize this, like all the names of the column. You can add more column from customize. You can rearrange the column, like if you don't want to keep in whichever order, that you can do. Lots of things are there. Like you can also change the screenshot quality, you can change the commands, whatever you want to do. So everything is possible in Pro version. You also get the network locks. You can add a step, delete a step, before, after, whatever you want you can do. So this is the Pro version, and we are giving, good thing is this, that we are giving the Pro version free access. So if you guys want to take that, you just take it. We highly recommend everyone to take the free access of Pro version of TestCase Studio. So please take that and enjoy the Pro version. You will just love this tool will help a lot and save a lot of time. So many people are already using, like more than 50k active users we have on all the browsers. So this is very helpful product, a huge time saver. So please give it a try, you will just love it. And do let us know in the comment section, and please share it with others. And do not forget to take your free trial now for TestCase Studio Pro version, because this offer might end soon when you will be watching this video. But this offer is right now running on our website on our Pro version products, both in fact, like SelectorsHub and TestCase Studio both. Thank you so much.